Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our clearance event visuals and coupon matchups part 1. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded a couple of videos, but also I will be uploading videos all week long, sometimes 2, possibly 3 a day as we go through each category of this clearance event. So it is going to be very important that you make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And then also you can make sure that you're all caught up by checking the pinned comment right down below the videos. And for this week, I'm going to try my best to go back each time I upload a new video and update the pinned comment of all of our previous videos. So hopefully that will help everybody stay up to date and not miss out on any awesome deals. Now, also, if you are new to Dollar General clearance events, make sure that you go and check out my How to Shop the DG Clearance Events video, because I have included a ton of information. A ton of the most frequently asked questions are answered in that video, and I even give you some of my pro tips. So make sure that y'all go and check out that video, and it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment as well. Now, let's go ahead and get into part 1 of our clearance event visuals. Now in this video, we are going to be going over all of the paper products and laundry products that are going to be included in this clearance event. Now keep in mind that these may or may not be tagged at your store. They may be in the regular spot. They may be in their clearance section. So you need to look high, look low, look everywhere you go. But let's go ahead and take a look at these items. And while you guys are taking a look at the pictures, descriptions, and coupon matchups, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a few tips and tricks as these scroll across your screen. Alright, now number 1, specifically having to do with these 2 categories, paper products and laundry products, I want you guys to keep in mind that a lot of these items were included in the last clearance event that we had a couple of months ago, alright? So these items are going to be harder to find, but I will tell you all that they are still out there. I've already scoped out 2 of my local stores, and I found Tide Simply, I have found the Downy and Drift scent beads, and I've also found some of the Angel Soft Ultra bath tissue. And really, those items I just kind of stumbled upon. Some of them were on end caps. The Tide Simply was in the regular spot. So my second tip for you all is going to be to do your homework. Stop by your local Dollar General stores this week. Make sure that you're scoping those out. And also make sure that you watch these videos at least a couple of times. That way, the more familiar you are with the items, you'll know what you're looking for. And once you get into the store, those things will stand out to you like a sore thumb. So watch the videos all the way through a couple of times, take some screenshots and some notes if you need to, and that way once you get into the store, it's going to be so much easier to shop. Now, tip number 3, don't forget about printable and insert coupons. So I know that on Sunday, we just received a new save insert, and it has some really good Tide coupons in there. So that will help lower your out-of-pocket. Also, we have free printable coupons on the PNGGoodEveryday.com website. Now, here's a fair warning on the printable coupons on the PNG website. Those do expire within 24 hours of printing them. So don't print them off until the morning that you are going shopping or the night before. But keep in mind that those do expire in 24 hours after you print those coupons off. Now, also keep in mind that not all Dollar General stores will accept printable coupons. That is left up to the store and district managers. So, before you start printing, go ahead and call up there and ask them if they will accept them before you spend all that time printing off those coupons. Now, while we're on the topic of the PNG printable coupons, also keep in mind that you can scan your receipt if you purchase any PNG products like Tide, Gain, Bounty, Charmin. All those are PNG products. So you can then scan your receipt into the PNGGoodEveryday.com website, and you can earn points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards later on down the line. All right, tip number 4, rebate apps. Don't forget about our rebate apps. Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars. all of those apps, you need to make sure that you are downloading them and make sure that you're signed up and checking those accounts, checking those offers before you go into the store on Friday. And if you need any referral codes or links, all of that information is in the description box underneath this video, as well as in the pinned comment. All right, tip number 5, and this one is a biggie because this is one of the most frequently asked questions that I also talk about in that how-to video. So if you haven't checked it out, it's a good video. I promise y'all, you won't regret it. But anytime that we have POG clearance or core clearance items included in the clearance event, I always get asked, what if my store isn't tagged? Or what if the employees are saying that they are not participating? Well, number one, if the store is not tagged, that is good for you. You are going to know about all kinds of clearance items that other people don't realize are on clearance. And they're going to be an additional 50 to 70% off. So big win there. I love it when I find a store during a clearance event and they don't have anything tagged because I know I'm going to get some really awesome deals. Now, the second part to that question is, what if the employees are saying that they aren't participating in this clearance event? Well, I hate to break it to them, but it's not up to them. They may not be prepping or bringing things up front or putting signs up or anything like that, but the Dollar General system is going to automatically mark all of these items an additional 50% off starting on Friday, running through Sunday, whether the employees like it or not. And honestly, guys, a lot of employees, they just don't know. They've never heard of a clearance event. The managers don't mention it to them, so they don't know how big of a deal this actually is, especially to us couponers who shop these things all the time. So if your stores aren't tagged and the employees don't know, that means that you're probably going to get some really awesome deals at that store because you're going to get in there and find all kinds of hidden clearance items that other people don't know about. As long as you're watching these videos this week, I'm going to show you guys all kinds of pictures of hidden clearance items that could be tagged, they could not be tagged, they could be in the clearance section. Who knows? All we know is that these are going to be an additional 50 to 70% off depending on your store, starting on Friday and running all the way through Sunday. Alright guys, so we are getting close to the end of the video now, and again, I just wanted to remind everybody that a lot of these items were included in the last clearance event. So these are going to be harder to find items. These are hot ticket items, so a lot of this stuff was bought up in the last clearance event. However, we do have new coupon matchups, and I was kind of going back and forth on whether or not I should post this video, but I thought, you know what, it's better to be safe than sorry. I'm going to go ahead and throw that video together for everybody real quick. And at the very least, we will all know that all of these items are included. And if we spot any of these items at our local DGs, we already know we're going to get a fantastic deal. So like I said, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, I do want y'all to make sure that you stay tuned because we have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of new categories, new items, tons. I mean, list after list after list after list. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. We've got food items, we have clothing, we have baby items, we've got cleaning supplies, we've got tons of coupon matchups. So make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And of course, before you go, do your girl a huge favor and make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.